So let's start at the very beginning. All right. Number 1. We have the equation y equals negative x plus 3 squared plus 4. Okay, Ashley, what's my a value? Yes.
Sorry, I'm getting my delta right now.
Okay, well, pause on that and let's do this real quick. What's my a value?
4.
That's my k. So k is 4. 4 is at the end. So remember, it goes ax minus h squared plus k. Okay, Hannah, take 2. What's my a value? Excellent. Okay, h value. Miss Isabella. Sorry, Isabel.
-3.
I have 3. I have like a Bella, an Isabel, and an Isabella. And I always get nervous to call on any of you because I'm always so afraid I'm going to call you the wrong name. I'm sorry, dear.
It doesn't matter. You can call me whatever.
It matters. I'm not.
You can call me Kale. For short for Caleb.
What was your middle name again?
It's Raymond.
Raymond.
Call me Raymond. That'd be hysterical. Imagine she's like, Raymond, cut it out. That's so funny.
Alright. Olivia, what does the -1 do to my graph for A? What does the A value of -1 do?
It moves it up or down to the whatever number it is.
Go ahead, Angie. Yeah, it's the reflection. So it determines if it opens up or down. A -1 is open down like a frown. So this reflects it or makes it open down. Okay, a -3 moves my graph what direction, Paige? Okay, h value is not up or down, it's the other one.
Left and right.
Yeah, so a -3, is it going to move it left or right? Is your name Paige?
That'd be pretty cool.
You just want any name other than Caleb, don't you?
No, I like Caleb too.
Okay.
Like page 230.
And Ben, a +4. What's that going to do to my graph?
Move it up and down.
Excellent. It's going to go up 4. Okay, so that makes my vertex what, Caleb?
-3, 4.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Ethan, what's my axis of symmetry? Yeah, like the AOS. What line would this be symmetric about? It's an equation. Okay, it's always x equals h. So my h value in this case is?
-3.
Good. Okay. My graph has a -a. Is it going to have a min or a max, Selena?
Math.
Good. It's going to have a max because it's open down like a frown. Okay, it has a max. Does that make my max at what point? What point is my max going to be at, Noah? Yes, exactly. Since it goes up 4, the max is at 4. No. That's the domain. That's the domain. I tricked you. I didn't put domain on this handout. Because it is always all real numbers, and for like the sake of space, I just skipped it. So the range is the y values. Anybody know my? Go ahead, Anna. What do you think? Yep, and less than or equal to what? Yep. So, like, here's a hint, guys. In general, these always follow. So, A, H, and K don't change. It's y equals A, x minus h squared plus k. So, everything I'm putting up here in green is always related to green. The vertex is always h comma k. The ALS is always x equals h. The min or max we know depends on the a value, but the min or max is always at k. So whatever your k is the value it's at. The range is always a y, and it's also with respect to k. Then you just pick the symbol that goes in there. Does that kind of help for those of us that were struggling? Okay, in the table, there are also numbers that never change. It always is 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 4. And then you add or subtract your h or k. So in this case, our h value is -3. So from the 0, 1, 2, I am subtracting 3. The y is always multiplied by a, so you always multiply 0, 1, and 4 by your a value, which in this case is -1. And then you add your k value, which in this case is 4. That's why I said from the very beginning, identify a, h, and k to start, and this is just a pattern of applying. So 0 minus 3, Caleb. 0 minus 3.
-3.
Good. Okay, Noah, 0 times -1 plus 4. Excellent. Okay, Ben, 1 minus 3. Good. Hannah, 1 times -1. Okay, what's 1 times -1? Good. Malia, -1 plus 4. Excellent. Paige, 2 minus 3. I know, isn't it the silly math that stresses you out? Okay, Ashley, 4 times -1. Good. Angie, -4 plus 4. Awesome. Plot our points. So you got -3, +4, -2, +3, and -1, 0. And then you got to remember that whatever it goes over, that axis of symmetry, it's even on both sides. So if that green line is my ALS, if my point is down 1 and right 1, I have another point down 1 and left 1. This is to the right 2, so from the green line, it's left 2. There's my graph. Let's try this one more time. And we're going to get a perfect for all of my answers on this page. Okay, so Ethan, what's the a value in that equation? Excellent. Okay, Isabel, what's the h value? 3. Excellent. Olivia, k? -4. Awesome. Okay, Selena, what's my vertex?
3, -1.
Excellent. Okay. Noah, what's my AOS? Perfect. Caleb, is it a min or a max? Good. Okay, Paige, where's my min value at? Good. Okay, Malia, what's my range? Fantastic. Okay, Hannah, what does a 2 do to my graph? What's a 2, an A value of 2 do to my graph? Perfect. It opens up and stretches. Ben, what's that 3 going to do to my graph? Which direction? Perfect. Because I'm saying lots of perfects, much happier. All right, Ashley. Good. Let's fill in the table. Okay. What values always go down the X column, Angie? Good. What numbers always go down the Y column, Ethan? Perfect. Okay, what am I adding or subtracting to those numbers? Isabel, what?
3.
Good. I'm adding 3. Olivia, what am I multiplying the Y values by?
2.
Good. And Selena, what am I adding or subtracting? What's the K?
-4.
Good. I'm so happy. That means it's working. Sorry. It doesn't work for everybody, Caleb. Okay, hey, Caleb, what's 0 plus 3? Noah, what's 1 plus 3? Ben, what's 2 plus 3? Alright, let's switch it up. Ashley, what's 0 times 2?
0.
Angie, 0 minus 4. Ethan, 1 times 2. Hannah, 2 minus 4. You're good. Okay, Isabel, 4 times 2.
8.
Okay, and Malia, 8 minus 4. Excellent. All you ladies at the end lucked out. Okay, we have 3, negative 4. 4, negative 2. If I have the point 4, negative 2, where's my other point? Everybody know? If I have the point 4, negative 2, where's its...
2 negative.
2 negative 2.
Good. And if I have the point 5, 4, awesome. So, with your remainder of class time and for homework tonight, and it's not due till Monday, so we'll have class time tomorrow, but we're also going to finish the packet for tomorrow. But that gives you like a whole weekend. We are doing this. Now, out of the kindness of my heart, I'm changing the directions. You only have to identify the vertex and make a table. I'm not making you do the rest of it. You guys did so well with the other thing. You only have to identify the vertex and make a table. Oop.
Thank you.
And then graph it, obviously.
She did.
I what?
What? She said she didn't do it for you, and I said, yeah, she did.
Okay. I don't understand.